Magandang araw po. Sinalin po ito ang inyong financial coach. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated. For today's video, ang ituturo ko po sa inyo ay kung paano mag-renew ng ating accreditation dito sa IMG. So, para po natin to simulan, kailangan po nating mag-login sa ating IMG portal. So, punta po tayo sa imgcorp-corp.net. Then, after po natin na ma-open, ay login po tayo. Enter po natin yung ating IMG code or user ID. And then, enter our password and click login. So, once na ma-open po natin yung ating IMG account, ito po yung ating makikita. Ito po yung tinatawag na homepage. So, dito po, makikita po natin yung ating IMG code, kung saan yung ating forwarding address, yung ating sponsor, at yung ating accreditation validity date. So, yung validity date po nito ay December 31, year 2021. So, para po makapag-renew na po tayo ng ating accreditation for year 2022, ito po makikita po natin dito sa left side, etong activate your 2022 accreditation. So, i-click po natin tong click here to renew your accreditation. Then, select po natin tong 2022. Then, enter your IMG code. Then, click lang po natin yung name natin. So, makikita po natin dito, automatic na 1,500 para sa mga old members at yung mga nag-member hanggang September 2021. Pero kung ikaw po ay bago lang, nag-member ka ng October 2021, ang iyo pong renewal ay 500 pesos lang. At kung ikaw naman ay nag-member ng November, ito po ay 300 pesos. At kung ikaw naman po ay nag-member ng December, ito po ay 200 pesos. So, okay? So, click na po natin yung next. And then enter your email address. And then, ito po yung mga mode of payment na makikita natin sa ilalim. Merong credit card, debit card, NeuroCash, BDO bills payment, Palawan Express, remittance, bank deposit or bank transfer, and pay at cashier. So, ang gagamitin po natin ay NeuroCash bills payment. Then, iselect po natin yung country. Click po natin tong NeuroCash bills payment. Yan. And then, after po na ma-fill upan natin tong mga information, i-click po natin yung next step. And then, click po natin tong tick box. Ibig sabihin po yan ay naintindihan po natin to. Make sure po na wala pong mali. Kailangan po ay tama lahat yung information na mailagay natin. So, sinasabi dito, I understand that I should only use this ePay reference number once and cannot use again in another payment transaction. I understand that I should check and I should make sure that all the information I will supply in my NeuroCash bills payment form are correct at all times. I further understand that in the event that I made a mistake in encoding any of the information in my NeuroCash bills payment form, it will cause a delay in processing my transactions and it will require me to pay a processing fee. So, kung okay na po, naintindihan po natin, i-click po natin yung submit. Alright? So, andito po yung rules or mga guidelines. Andito po yung guide kung paano po natin gagawin yung susunod na mga transaction. So, yan po. Step number 1, log into your personal NeuroCash account. Step 2, once log in, click Bills Payment, click positive sign button on the upper right. Choose International Marketing Group in the drop-down under Biller Name. Fill in the amount to be paid. Nandito yung subscriber number at ito naman yung subscriber name. Then, click Send. So, step 3, you will receive a confirmation notice from IMG once your payment is credited to the IMG account and uploaded in our system. Wait for 3 to 5 working days from our receipt of remittance for IMG to process to transmit your payment to the provider. Number 4 is if the nature of your payment is for transmittal to providers like Kaiser, Manila Bankers Life, Mutual Fund, Principals, Non-Life, and others, wait for 5 to 10 working days for the provider to process and post your payment and or issue the policy or COR, etc. So, yung mga important reminders, pakibasa na lang po para po sa ating informasyon. Ayan. So, click na po natin tong NeuroCash. So, enter po natin yung ating email address and password. Then, click Login. So, ayan. Then, click Bills Payment.
Click
Then,
plus
click arrow
sign.
sign. Click Biller Name. Subscriber name. Ito po yung pinakita kanina. So, copy-paste lang po tayo. Copy po natin to. Yung subscriber name. Then, paste. Para po maiwasan natin yung pagkakamali. Then, copy again the subscriber number. Then, paste. Then, enter the amount. Then, click Send. So, may marireceive po tayo na OTP. Makikita po natin ito sa ating email. So, i-copy-paste na rin po natin to. Copy natin mula sa ating email. Then, i-paste po natin dito sa ating ginagawang transaction. Then, click OK. So, ganun lang po. Madali lang. So, ganun lang siya kadali.
Again, sino rin po ito ang inyong financial coach. Plan good things every day and be a channel of blessings to others. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!